It's the right time to reveal the 2 biggest secret tricks to grow on YouTube. If you have clicked this video, then you might have many expectations like I might change your YouTube analytics. Yes, of course I can do it, but all you need to do is listen carefully to the video and don't miss any points. Without spending more time on silly things, I would like to directly jump into today's topic. Well, if you are observing my channel, then recently from the past 10 videos I am getting good views and lovely comments. You might ask me how you did this, and these tricks, which I am going to tell you, might help small creators very quickly. If you are new to this channel, then let me tell you that this was a dead channel from the past year. I renewed it using my 3 years YouTube experience, and today I am getting some average views of 400 to 500 per video. Recently I found some new tricks which are just mind-blowing. I decided to apply those tricks to my new videos as well as old videos. I found that my videos were getting more impressions from my first video, so I used some simple tricks which changed the channel reach. Before starting the channel I had my target all set. Now I am all near to that. Coming to secret tricks, after uploading the videos I found that the thumbnail was very good, the title was catchy, and the topic was also trending. But I found that the video was not getting views. I thought of changing the thumbnail, but it didn't work. I changed the thumbnail, then also it didn't work. But after thinking more about this, I found that the tags I added were having a very low volume of search rates. So although the video was good, the tags were not in mass volume. Don't get confused, I am not talking about the inappropriate tags, I am talking about the appropriate tags which will have high volumes. To understand this better, we will go to the vidIQ application. If you don't know about the vidIQ application, then watch this video. Firstly, let me tell you some basics about adding tags and how I find my tags. I personally refer to YouTube itself for finding the tags. If you write your video topics in different ways, it will show you some trending words related to that. So I will copy my tags and add it to my videos, but wait, will it really work? According to my knowledge, this type of procedure works for only trending topics and not for evergreen videos. It's because the trending topics tags will be in high search volume and every green topic tag will be searched for monthly. Okay, now let's understand this very clearly. Install the vidIQ application and sign in with your YouTube Gmail account. After signing in, go to the search section and search for your video topic. Let me show you some examples. Let me search for how to grow a YouTube channel. Here you can see the volume and competition for that topic, but to see the exact search, click on the overall score and select the search volume. Here you can see the exact searches for the topic. I think now you can clearly understand what I said before. I had added the tags which were very low in search. Now here it's 90,000 per month, but the tags I added were about 6,000 to 7,000. So the search rate of that particular tags were very low. And of course, if the search rate is only 6,000 to 7,000, then on an average you can get 2,000 views. But in this case the search rate is about 90,000. You can get about 40 to 50,000 views per month if your videos are good. So I searched for these types of tags whose search rate is very high, then I added those tags into my videos. If you can't believe me, then just go and change your tags. YouTube will start sending the impression to those changed tags, and you will get views if your content is good. And also changing the thumbnails and title might help you to get better views. The second strategy I followed was I observed my competitors and I kept on inspiring them. If you are a YouTuber, then you must need to keep an eye on your competitors. I will show you how it helps. Just check your competitor's channel and you will find average views their videos will be scoring. Suppose let's assume their average view is around 10 to 20,000. In that you will definitely find 1 or 2 videos which will be crossing that boundary and hitting more views than usual. So here you must pick the same topic and make videos in your own style, and I am damn sure that you will get views. And by seeing some 5 to 6 channels related to your category, choose the topic wisely, and after choosing the trending topics, don't forget to follow the first strategy. For cross-verification, you can also check the average search volume of that particular topic in vidIQ. All you need to do is follow these simple 2 strategies. Just pick the topics which are booming in your competitor's channel and add the high search tags in your videos. And let me tell you that adding new tags also works for old videos, and those old videos must be evergreen videos. Recently I changed the tags and thumbnail for this video, and you see here after changing the tags the video got boosted. So this was the 2 simple tricks which helped me in recent videos. If you are a beginner, then you can try this one, and keep in mind that don't keep on changing the tags every day. After changing the tags, if the video gets boosted, then it's fine, but if it doesn't, then wait for some days and again change your thumbnail or title, and then change some 2 of 3 tags. Well, try these 2 strategies. Personally, they are helping me a lot, and I am sure that these strategies will help you also. So this was my personal experience in recent videos, which I shared through this video. And if you are loving my content, then please do subscribe to the channel. And keep supporting. Until then, keep visiting the channel. I will meet you in the next video with another great content.